Ever had your dryer stop working right when you need it most? Our client did, and instead of replacing it, we brought it back to life, saving them hundreds of dollars. A broken dryer isn't just an inconvenience, it's wasting energy, increasing your bills, and could even be a fire hazard. If your dryer is taking too long to dry, making loud noises, or just not heating properly, it's time for a professional checkup. We fixed this dryer by replacing faulty components and improving airflow to get it back to manufacturer specs, running efficiently and safely. Now their laundry routine is back on track and their dryer is working like new. If your dryer isn't working right, don't ignore it. Save money, stay safe, and get it fixed today. Need help? Tag a friend who needs this and follow us for more home tips.